Hi everyone, Gowtham here and welcome to my channel. So for this week's video, I am bringing to you my first official haul. Period. So this is a bougie on a budget haul, as I would like to call it, but it's also something that I feel like it hasn't been done for guys especially. So this haul is by a brand that everyone knows. I call it Bougie on a Budget. Surprisingly, this company is really good, so that's why I'm calling it Miss Bougie on a Budget. But also, this is my first ever time purchasing from them, and honestly, I was so shocked at the quality, but also how much everything was. If you have not guessed what it is yet, it is the one and only Shein. And if you have not got from the packaging yet, it is a company that I feel like everyone has heard of but have been scared to purchase from, because it is definitely something that as you go, you just keep adding to your basket because of the prices, but it's cheap. And this is my first time actually ordering from them, my first ever time. I have gotten good reviews and recommendations from so many of my friends. One of my best friends always orders from them, so I thought, why not try for myself? And before ordering, I always normally look at reviews on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok even now, and I did see a few, but not as many as I thought I would. Some of the reviews were like very short, just like, oh, like I got this, or I got that, or I got one piece and it was alright and stuff. And so I wanted to go in to a YouTube video, but also make it very extended and elaborate of the sizings, the quality, the price, but also how I feel about everything in total. So from one purchase, I had bought so much, but literally it was all under $100. I had bought clothes, makeup, jewelry, and fake nails. So right now I'm going to be just talking about the general pricings, but also the quality of it, but you will also get a try on haul at the end of the video. So a few of the things that I had got makeup wise were these three golden, rose gold, and silver follicles. These are stuff that I've seen people use on their face when they're doing Halloween looks or like anything creative, so I'm keen to try these out. I don't know if I'll be trying them out right now for you guys, but I do want to try a few other things though. So I was quite intrigued when I saw a jelly glitter, so I had to get my hands on it. And honestly, the packaging is so tiny, it's so cute. And she comes like this. But the thing is, I was quite shocked to see is it's like that. So it's not sitting in the pot, but it's sitting in the pot but on its own. So it's like if I tip it out, I feel like it's gonna come out, but because it is a jelly glitter, I feel like it's something that like comes on your finger and you put it on wherever you want to put it. So maybe this isn't something that's meant to be in the pot but like on its own, but just to keep it nice and secure, they put inside this pot. This is in this shade Icy. The packaging is so cute. They had another one of these in like a metallic green, which I did want to get, but they didn't have in stock. So I am definitely going to be ordering that in my second purchase, which is actually going to happen soon because I've got so much already in my bag or in my like list that I have to buy it all soon before it just overflows. And the last makeup product that I had got were these glitters. I put it on this little palette thing. So as you can see, they're all different colors. I had got green, purple, a rose gold and gold, red, pink, and purple. They're all loose glitters and in different shapes. I will show you all of them up close. The green ones. This is the purple one. And this is the rose gold and gold. But it also has silver in it as well. And then this is a red, a pink, or like I would say a baby pink, another pink. Kind of violet purple, I would say. A more violet purple shade. And as you can see, they've already transferred. So one thing is the I'm just wiping my hands. The packaging is not something I would recommend for loose glitters, but also these are packagings that you get for testers in Sephora and Mecca. These two are in two different containers. Like this one's got like a square base for it and this one's just a round base. But also I'm not complaining because for the price, you're getting quite a lot of product regardless. And then going into the jewelries of this purchase, I have bought 6 of these little earrings, as you can see. So they're quite tedious and tiny. I'm gonna take my earring off and show you. And in this, it came in a pack of 6 and it's a hook, so you literally just have to hook it on top and put it through. And for the pack of 6, it came to $3.50. I mean, $3.50 as in $3.50. It's Shein, guys. Get into it. It's definitely something that I would wear. Like, this is very me, like what's something I would wear. So I'm keen to try the rest. But so I'm just gonna keep this in for the time being. But now going into the accessories. So I had bought 3 pairs of sunglasses in this, and all 3 are just like different styles, but more like stuff that are coming out recently rather than, you know, your old Ray-Bans and, you know, your old those type of ones. And each of these sunglasses went for $7 each, which is quite a bargain. The quality is so sturdy as well, so it's really good quality, but it's not glass, or it's not something that can be scratched, but it's still sun protecting. I've worn them out just to see in the sun. I've worn them in front of these lights, which I'm gonna be doing again for you guys, but it's still something that goes so well. And honestly, like, you have to, like, come on. Like, come on. Like, tell me this doesn't give you, like, hot girl summer vibes.
This goes out to all y'all tuned in. The hottest, the secret hottest.
Get into it, because this is giving me, like, if you ain't at the beach, then where the fuck you at? Period. Like, end game. Anyone that wants to come for me?
The library is open.
Let me put these on and I'm gonna read you to.
I will read you to filth.
Each one of these went for $7. That is the first pair. And then the second pair is like very, I'd say it's very Matrix vibes. But also, like, again, don't talk to me. You talking to me? Because I can't see you. Sorry. Period. This is giving me like hot girl summer vibes again. Something very dark, something very sexy, something very like suspicious. And then lastly, these are my favorite glasses. These are like very like festival, but also like look glasses. So like something you could wear when you're trying to like do your Instagram baddie type of vibes. Sis. Baddie vibes, like very much baddie. As I saw these, like I had to get these, had to get them in the statement piece of a red as well, a statement color, sorry. Something I would wear to like a festival, or like even if I'm just trying to take Instagram photos. Like these are something I absolutely love. But out of all of them, I have to say that like this,
Real motherfucking hot girl shit.
like this, like the fact that all of them went for $7 as well is like so shocking, but like in the best way possible. So we're coming close to the end of the accessory side of this haul. I have bought, yes, fake nails, because a boy likes to, you know, feel his oats while wearing a full glam. They look quite sturdy. The quality definitely looks really good as well. Am I used to long nails? No. This is the longest I've done, and that's my natural nails. I might use them for a look or something, or like maybe a 24 hours with fake nails. Alright guys, so lastly, I'm going to be talking about the clothes that I bought. So going into the first shirt that I bought. So this shirt retailed for $17. It is, the fabric is quite thin, to be honest. It's very much like, you know, you can wear this to the beach, because it's quite thin material. The description of this says it's a men's solid button through shirt. I got this in a size large/40. I personally range from a medium to a large in my shirts depending on the fit that I'm going for. Sometimes I like to go for a more baggier fit, so if I'm looking for a baggier fit, I go for a large. If I'm looking for something more tight, then I'll go for a medium. It's very much like linen material, and it's definitely something that I could see myself wearing with a pair of jeans, to just like, you know, even just like to go for brunch, or like something like that's very casual. But like I feel like this color will look really nice on me as well, so I'm quite happy with how this turned out. Going on to the next one. Number 2 is a set. It is a t-shirt and shorts set. So the description of this was Shein men deer print top with striped short set. I had got this in a size medium. She's quite nice. She's a cute color. I rolled the bottom of the shorts, but the shirt quality is really good. I would definitely recommend it. It's definitely a size medium. The quality of it is very nice. It doesn't say what it's made of though. Like there's no tag, like as opposed to like most t-shirts do have tags. This doesn't really have a tag. I can't find it. I haven't found it. But the quality is very thick. I've also rolled the sleeve of the t-shirt as I'm wearing it as well now. This is definitely something that I could see myself wearing with like high socks and like my Converses. You wearing this out to like just go shopping, or even like for like a day in the park for a picnic or something. Like this is a really nice combo, and especially because we're going into summer, I did buy all summer pieces, but also I didn't want to spend too much money just because I didn't know the quality and the sizing. So this retailed for $21.57, and I did get another set. This is a color combo set, so they both are the same color. I was quite skeptical of buying this one because the sizing was very different to what I would have worn. So I would have been a size extra large or a large to an extra large on the graph that they had, and like the reviews that were on the website, everyone was like, go a size smaller to what you measure as. I decided to do that, and I got a large. This set is like a mustard color, I would say. I feel like this color is quite in at the moment, in a size large, which is also known as a 40. It just says San Francisco Bay Area on the front, and it's just plain shorts. The shorts were quite big on me, to be honest. Like if I did have a choice, I would definitely go for a medium, just like the other set, because I wasn't sure if I wanted to stay on a medium or if I wanted to stay on a large. I got both just so I know for reference later on when I do make another purchase that to go with the medium instead. Also, I've put on so much weight during lockdown, to be honest, so it was more so like I just had to kind of go large rather than going smaller. It being too tight for me to wear. Like the quality is really good as well. The quality is definitely different to the white t-shirt in the set. It is, as you can see, it's more stretchy, and you can see the inside material is like this kind of like, I would say like threaded kind of material, and the other one was like smooth, like how this side looks. But I wouldn't complain about the quality at all still, but I'm quite happy with how it turned out, and this is definitely something that I would wear when going shopping. If I ever needed to go like to Woolworths and stuff, I would wear this to the beach as well, even like if I'm not going to get in the water but just like, you know, going. But also this is something that I could wear with like white socks and a white pair of shoes. And finally, for the last piece, I'm so excited about this one. I had bought it because as soon as I saw it, I was like, I had to get it. Like it was funky, it was cute, it was something that I could see myself wearing, so I just had to get it. So it is called a men's platted pocket patched shirt. That's a mouthful. And this retailed for $23.37. By the chart, I was a large, so I went with a large. So it was definitely, you could see that the size chart for different products are different as well. So I would definitely look at the size chart, but also look at what people say in the comments or like in the reviews. If they put photos up and you can see like how it looks on someone, it's kind of a lot more easier to kind of vision it on you, or kind of imagine like, is it something you would wear, or is the sizing good? Do you think you're like very close to his size? And like you could compare it. But look at it, it is so cute. Oh my god. The material is very different as well. I would definitely say that this side is very like corduroy kind of vibes, but then this side is very like cotton, and like that's corduroy, and like the collar is as well. But like the back is all like the checkered. So it's pretty much just this side, and then the sleeve that is that corduroy material. And honestly, like it fits like a glove. I absolutely love it. This is definitely something that I would wear with like black ripped jeans, my docs, and I definitely will be wearing this on a night out soon, hopefully. I absolutely love this shirt. I saw this shirt in a few different colors, so it's definitely something that I want to see if I can get in my next purchase. But I think that comes to the end of the haul. I'm debating whether to try stuff like makeup wise. Like I've showed you like the earring. So to swatch the loose glitters, I'm just gonna go in with this e.l.f. loose glitter primer. Just do like a little patch. So just like with that much, I'm just gonna patch on the glitter on top and just see how it kind of translate. So I'm just patching on the glitters. They are definitely going on very pigmented. I mean, well, they loose glitters, of course. But I'm just gonna be chucking them on to my hand. Oh wow, they're actually really pretty. They do get everywhere. It's all over my table, and I'm scared that this is gonna go all over my body and as I walk upstairs. So they're falling off as soon as I put it on. So you definitely have to get a really good glue to put these on your eye. They're definitely very big as well. So I don't really know if these would work in an eyelid, but this could work as like glitter you could use in your hair, like when you do braids, especially when girls do braids for like festivals and stuff, or like glitter for like highlighter and stuff. But I mean, I'm quite shocked. Like they do look really nice. Like as you can kind of see each individual one that I placed. Now I'm gonna be trying these follicles. I'm just gonna go in with the gold on my hand again because I might as well, I've done that, might as well just put it on my hand. My makeup is looking really cute today, so I don't necessarily want to ruin it. I don't still, like I've never seen someone like use it or like how to use it. So I'm just going to assume that you just spray something and chuck it on and it just like sticks to your face or something. So going in with my Morphe setting spray, I'm just going to spray my hand a little bit. It's very light and feathery, I mean, of course, and like stick it on. Oh wow. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that would be really okay. I think I know what I would like to do with this for a look. This is definitely something that people would use for like an editorial look. And I'm just kind of, oh, okay. So I just kind of just like put it on and then just like did like a little massage, and it's instantly just broken, and it's kind of like giving like a, I guess, oh, okay. So it's like, it's kind of like dispersed in its own little area. Really nice, like kind of like going down the neck, or like as an editorial, kind of like shaping your face with it, like for a highlighter or something. Like that is definitely something that I would be keen to try. I would definitely have to look at how to use it, or like what application goes best. As this is my first ever haul that I've ever actually properly done, if you guys are from my Snapchat family and you guys have added yourself to the private story where I do just like unboxings of stuff and try on hauls there, this is definitely a lot more like different, and I feel like I've just given you my honest reviews on what I've purchased for myself. This is definitely something that I would like to do in the future, maybe even do like a part 2, but I also would love to do more fashion stuff like this as well. There isn't much of representation for men in the cheap clothing kind of vibe, and like what I'm talking about, like Shein, Boohoo, there's ASOS, like there's all of those type of bigger brands, but for like brands that are bougie on a budget, there isn't much men representation. But if you liked any of the pieces that I tried on for you guys today, and you got a man's that you want to give, and now you know the kind of size charts, the material, how much you're getting for your money, is it worth it, but also like how it looks on someone, where I can give my honest reviews and thoughts, but also I hope it helped you guys with your fashion journey. But if you did like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up, as I am gonna be dealing with glitter and gold follicles for the rest of my life, because it's literally everywhere. But if you did like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up and like and subscribe. Let me know down below what you'd like to see me do next. But until then, I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye!